Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can bypass ChatGPT filter. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can go to this website. You need to search for bypassgpt.ai, and after you have found this website, you can paste your text from ChatGPT to this website. I'm going to go back to my ChatGPT, and as you can see guys, I have just created an article with ChatGPT. So I'm just going to copy the article. You can click on a copy and go back to the website, and I'm going to paste it right here. But as you can see guys, that the words is limited. We can only use this website for 80 words. So I'm going to delete the words. If you want to use this bypass, you can do it twice. And okay, now the text has been copied and pasted to this website, and we can click on Humanize. Okay, and just wait for a moment guys. It's still loading. Alright, and this is the result. Okay, that's done. Okay guys, and that's all the way to bypass ChatGPT filter. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!